Hey everybody, I'm Chris and welcome to another fantastic episode of Luki Bike Adventures. Today I am at the bike park, the Bike Skills Park. It's at Hangtight Park, and this is one of several locations that I plan on taking our youth to teach them about mountain biking and cycling in general and enjoying the outdoors. And so I'm here just kind of fine-tuning my own skills and kind of, scouting the area. There's also a mountain biking trail that I didn't know about that way. I've never been on it. I think it's called Trail 47. I've never done that one, so I think it's getting dark too fast, so I probably won't be able to do that tonight. But this place is really cool. But that's not what this video is about. We'll do that in a different, separate video. What this video is about is this Yakima rack here. So I already showed you guys quickly the skybox we have here, and this is pretty awesome. It holds a ton of stuff, and I love it. I don't know how I managed so long without something like this, honestly. But the folks at Yakima are just amazing because they donated both of these things to us. We contacted them about the project that we're doing and some of our needs, and one of the big ones is being able to transport the bikes and all the supplies, because I just have a little regular sized car. I don't have a big trailer or pickup truck or anything, and so they sent us this. I'm like, this is perfect, this is amazing. I can carry 6 bikes with this bad boy. So each one goes into one of these guys. They said just about any size. I've only carried, I think the smallest I've carried is like a 20-inch bike, and this is a 27 and a half, and my son's bike is a 29er, and they all fit with no problem. All mountain bikes or like kid bikes, but they say drop bars can also fit on here, but you would only fit 4 as opposed to 6. So I think it's pretty cool. So you got this bar down here, and it's a little clamp, and these just unscrew and slide it back and forth, and that's what holds the tire on. And then up top you have this, I don't know what you call it, but the handlebars just sit right in there, and you got a ratcheting strap. It's quite sturdy, and so there's no contact on the frame, and I think that's awesome. And it doesn't take up, it's pretty wide, but can you imagine if I had 6 bikes coming off the car? That'd be like half the length of a car. But this way it's pretty practical. It looks kind of cool, I think, as well. So let's see. Assembly was not bad at all. I did not follow the instruction manual very well, and so I did screw up and put these on upside down initially. And I think I made a couple other mistakes, but then I went back and read it, and so if you actually follow the manual, it probably won't be that bad. It takes a 2-inch hitch, like so, and it really only came in aside from these guys, it was just like 1, I think 2, 3, 4 pieces, and so not bad. So if you look here, there's not a ton of space between my car and the hitch itself, so if you need to get into your trunk, there's this little foot guy. And let's see if I can do this one-handed, because I did not bring my tripod today. And you can just press that down, and it will bring everything down like that, so you can actually access the trunk. I'm not going to open it up because there's a bunch of crap in there, and I don't want it falling out or anything. You don't need to see it inside of my trunk. And so I read, or was told, I think I saw some videos where they talked about mounting the bikes on this way, while it's down. I haven't tried that yet. Maybe it's doable, I don't know, but I've just done it as vertically. Let's see if I can lift it back up until it clicks into place. And I'm not the tallest person, so I do have to reach up kind of high to get it on here, but I'm only 5'4", and I can reach it and do it. I don't know if I can with one hand, but let me give it a shot. So I'll come down here, and there's this little clip that the little buckle goes into. All right, I have to try to use 2 hands here to undo that. There. Okay, so just pull that out, and then it's got a little notch here that makes it convenient to just bend this back and put it in there. Whoops, sorry. So yeah, this little notch here, like that. I realized I got off camera and so that holds that out of the way. And then same thing here, just a buckle. And there's 2 of them. Let's see if I can go to the other side and get it. If I can do this single-handed, I'll be impressed. Alright, and then just get those out of the way. And now you just really just lift the bike up and out of this. It's sitting on here, so it's supported, like it's fine. It's not going anywhere. I would not drive it like that. You're just locking it down there. So it's nice. You really, let's see if I can do it with one hand. This isn't a super light bike. Lightweight bike. Oh, got it. There. Now my bike's off, and that's it. And putting it back on is just, the opposite. So far I'm pretty happy with it. One thing to note is that it is wobbly. And I saw some reviews where people complained about that. Like if you look at it, it wobbles all over the place. And I don't see that as a problem. I've gone on some bumpy roads. I've got a lot of speed humps in my neighborhood. And I've had bikes on that, and they sway and wobble all over the place, but they don't come off. It's not breaking. Nothing's coming more loose than it already was. I think that's just kind of one of those necessary things. Structurally, you want things to sway, especially like metal and stuff. You want it to sway a little bit, and that way it doesn't break. So I think it's supposed to do that. I have zero concerns that it's gonna like fall apart or anything. I think it's fine. So I have only used it, like maybe this will be maybe my 4th time. We're pretty early in the season, but so far I'm liking it. I'm liking it a lot. I think that's it for right now. We'll go over the skybox in a different video, and I'm gonna go do some riding before it gets dark. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everyone who's supporting. I'm so excited because at this point we have everything that we need. There are no roadblocks whatsoever. Everything's covered. Everything's paid for to do like a bare bones version of this. If we can, I did apply for some grants, and if we get those, then it will make things easier, and we can do some cooler stuff and just make things better. But at this point, bare bones version, we are all systems go. So thank you everybody.